I'm Skylar.
I'm Blake.
I'm Jimmy.
I'm Kai.
I'm Rowan.
I'm McKenna.
I'm Heidi.
I'm Kayla.
I'm Nicole.
I'm Finley.
I'm Celia.
I'm Natalie.
I'm Mirabelle. I'm Nora.
I'm AJ.
I'm Caleb.
I'm McKenna.
I'm Sumner. I'm Remy.
I'm Emerson.
I'm Kaden. I'm Savannah.
I'm Chris.
I'm Mina.
Welcome back to MagTV.
We're anchors. I'm Savannah.
I'm McKenna.
And I'm Caleb.
We've got a fun April episode for you. From Gold Rush Day
To Earth Day.
to a brand new special showcase. Lots of great moments around campus.
Let's get started. Let's take a look what's been happening around Magnolia.
It's been a busy and fun few weeks. Here's our month in review.
April started with April Fool's Day, and yes, there were definitely a few pranks around campus. Students also helped with the spring break cleanup, getting our school ready for the season. And of course, spring break, a time to relax, travel, and recharge. Hopefully with a little extra sleep too. Welcome back, Lions. We are ready for a strong finish to the year. Back to you, McKenna.
Our first story takes us back in time, all the way to the California Gold Rush,
Where life was just a little harder.
and a lot more dusty. Here's Remy.
Thanks, McKenna. Fourth graders stepped back in time for Gold Rush Day, a hands-on history experience. And yes, there was a lot of excitement. Students panned for gold, made fun dolls, and even dressed up like pioneers. Some looked ready for the 1800s. It's a Magnolia tradition, a day full of learning and fun. Gold Rush Day reminds us that history isn't just something you read. It's something you can experience, and sometimes even dress up for. From MagTV, I'm Remy. Back to you, Savannah.
Thanks, Remy. Our next story is about another important day,
A day to take care of our planet.
and realize how much it does for us. Here's Kaden to tell us more.
Thanks. Earth Day is a time to think about how we can help our planet and how our small choices add up. At Magnolia, students learning simple ways to make a difference, like reducing waste, recycling, and taking care of our environment. Even small habits can help. Hi, Kagan. If Earth could talk, what would it say?
Thank you for the greenery.
Hi, Quinn. Why is Earth Day important?
It's important because we live on this earth and we have to take care of it.
Hi, Marie. If Earth could talk, what would it say?
It would say, you go, girl.
Hi, Kaylin. What's one way you can help the Earth?
Well, you can pick up trash and you don't have to throw away things that are perfectly in good use.
Earth Day reminds us that small actions can make a difference, and taking care of our planet starts with us. From MagTV, I'm Kaden. Back to you, Caleb.
This year, Magnolia has something brand new.
A night full of talent and creativity, and lots of energy. Here's AJ.
Thanks. There was first ever special showcases brought to our school to life. There was also something to see everywhere you looked. Students sang, played instruments, and performed for family and friends. The NPR was filled with art from every grade, showing off some amazing talent. We got to take a peek in the innovation lab and even play around outside in the blacktop with our PE teacher.
Hi, Ann. What was your favorite part of the special showcase?
Probably the art show
Cool. Why did you like that?
because my art was in there.
Hi, Odin. What was your favorite part of this special showcase?
Probably the PE
Why did you like that?
because I like throwing balls.
Hi, Cam. What was your favorite part of the special showcase?
Probably the PE because I really liked the dodgeball.
Hi, Levi. What was your favorite part of the special showcase?
The art show.
Nice. Why did you like that?
Because there's cool art there. The special showcase reminds us that learning happens in so many different ways, and every student has something to share, and sometimes that means stepping on stage. From MagTV, I'm AJ. Back to you, Savannah.
Coming up next,
A special commercial you won't want to miss.
trust us, it's a good one. Okay, real question. Why do we even have specials?
Like PE or Innovation Lab, why?
Do we really need them?
I mean, we could just sit in class all day.
This is school without specials.
Art class,
Innovation Lab.
PE. Okay, we definitely need specials.
Hi, Maddie. What do you love about specials?
we actually get to move.
Art is my favorite because I get to create whatever I want.
What do you like about Innovation Lab?
We build stuff, it's really fun.
Specials help us create
Move.
and invent.
And guess what?
We're running the Jogathon to help keep specials going.
Every dollar donated towards Jogathon helps us move our body, create art, and come up with new inventions.
So don't forget to donate today.
All right, get ready. This is your warning. It's time for dad jokes.
Okay, good morning, everybody. You guys excited for dad jokes? Yeah! Okay, I'm Sumner's dad. I'm gonna do some jokes. You know, before I get started, when he asked me to come in and do this, it really got me thinking. I was like, when does a joke become a dad joke? And it's when it became apparent. Okay, so the other night, guys, I think last night I burned 2,000 calories. Can you believe it? 2,000 calories in one night. I left the whole pizza in the oven. So I was gonna tell you guys, I used to be afraid of hurdles. I got over it. So I started reading a book the other day. A new book is all about anti-gravity. I couldn't put it down. Guys, I've been meaning to tell you, I ended up ordering a chicken and an egg from Amazon. So I'll let you know. So the other day I wanted to ask my dad a question, right? Something I've been thinking about for a long time. It's really got me thinking. So I asked my dad, I said, hey Dad, do you think trees poop? And he's like, well, where do you think number 2 pencils come from? At home, we finally got a family dog. We got a Labrador. And then when we got him home though, he started doing all these magic tricks. And I was like, that's when it hit me out. I think we got a Labracadabrador.
Our next story features a teacher you definitely know. You probably see around campus every day. Here's more on Mr. Bob.
Hi, Mr. Bob. We're so excited to have you for our teacher feature.
Well, thank you very much.
How much years have you been here at Magnolia?
Oh boy, let me see. I think this is like my 7th year.
Really?
Yes.
Have you taught or helped other students at other schools?
Well, a long time ago, I was working at a high school, Escondido High School. I was there a long time.
Do you have any family?
I sure do. I have 2 grown-up sons and they both went here.
What's your favorite part of helping kids?
Is seeing that they're starting to understand it and they learn it.
Do you want to play a game of this or that?
I'll try.
Pancakes or waffles?
I'll go with waffles today.
Ice cream or cookies?
Always ice cream.
Summer or winter?
Ooh, that was a tough one. How about spring?
Watching a movie or reading?
Both.
Thank you, Mr. Bob. Back to you guys.
And now it's time for Lion Share, where we hear from you. The question we'll be asking is, what's your favorite April Fool's prank?
Hi, Luella. What's your April Fool's prank?
My April Fool's prank would probably trick my dad that there's like a rat in the house or something. Hi, Kyrie. What's your April Fool's prank?
My April Fool's prank was I put brown sugar in water and then I told my dad it was coffee.
Hi, Danny. What's your April Fool's prank?
I'm putting instead of sugar and lemonade, I'm putting salt and giving it to my mom and dad.
Hi, Colton. What's your April Fool's Day prank?
I think I'm gonna get some of my water guns, set them up by my room at night, and when my parents wake up, I'm gonna turn my alarm on and prank them with the water guns and shoot water in their eyeballs.
Oh my gosh, that's
Even in their mouth, and it's gonna be dirty water.
oh my gosh. Hi, Caroline and Izzy. What are you guys planning to do for April Fool's Day? Well, I'm planning on getting a bunch of balloons and putting them on my sister when she's asleep. So when she wakes up, she's like very covered. Cool. How about you, Izzy?
I'm gonna fill Oreos with toothpaste and prank my dad because he deserves it.
Cool.
Hi, Vigo. What's your April Fool's prank? I put elephant toothpaste in the classroom and get dirty.
Hi, Eli. What April Fool's prank did you do this year?
I faked that I broke my ankle to my parents.
Did it work?
Yeah.
What's your guys' April Fool's prank?
My April Fool's prank is putting fake bugs in my parents' bed.
That's awesome.
Mine is to put shaving cream on my mom's hand and then tickle her nose, and then when she goes to itch it, there's gonna be shaving cream on her face.
And now a word from our principal.
Hi Magnolia Lions, this is Mr. Leach. Welcome back to the principal's office. We are just now getting back from spring break as I record this video. And I was so fortunate to be able to serve in some schools in the Dominican Republic over the break. And I was just really floored that even though the schools look much different and they have a lot of different resources there, the students were so motivated to learn. They showed a lot of determination. A lot of their families sacrifice a lot of time and money in order to get their students to go to school and for that privilege. Sometimes in the developing world, students aren't able to go to school and they have to work instead. And it just made me really thankful for what a great school that we have here and just the education that is available to all of our Magnolia Lions. And so I just really wanted you to take advantage of that. And as always, go Lions!
That's all for this episode of MagTV. Thanks for watching and being a part of our school community. We'll see you next time.
And go Lions!
Okay, we definitely need some specials. No, that sounds weird.
Hi, Caroline and Izzy. What are you guys planning to do for April Fools? Well,
3, 2.
Oh, shoot.
All right, ready?
that's cool. She's totally.
And guess what?
What's your guys' April Fool's prank?
Wait, April Fool's coming up?
That's really funny. Okay, now we are done.